At Tino shop is having a Labor Day sale. I'm telling you, run cause his products are the best. I purchased the stained glass bundle 14 colors. 12 colors bundle. With this bundle there is a mixing chart you can save to your phone via the website. Ratio is 50/50. It's mixing. You can create all these colors. $100 coupon off of $500. I have been waiting for the tan nude and cream nude to be back in stock, and I'm so happy I finally get to try it out. Now I can follow along Tino.bo free nail design classes on IG and here on TikTok. This is not a normal matte top coat. Teflon matte top coat is special. Tino designed it to be stain resistant and chrome resistant. So I had to get 3 of them, especially when you want to work with chrome designs. This will save you time with your designs. Milky is a translucent white, not part of the colors bundle, but you need it. Have you ever had issues with chrome not sticking? When you go to rub it on, it either gets grainy cause you undercured it, not giving that mirror effect, but more of a glitter effect. Chrome base coat solves all your troubles. No more guessing the perfect timing for each top coat brand. With chrome base you will have perfect chrome outcome every time. I'm realizing here that I have received same colors and am missing the neon colors of the bundle 1 to 7. I have emailed the customer support. It's Labor Day weekend. I'm sure everyone is home with their families. Who wants a swatch video? Comment yes if you want one. This is the colors bundle. You can make hundreds of colors with the mixing chart, and Tino teaches mixing colors on his live shows on IG and TikTok.